let's imagine this example, and we're gonna solve the problem, or we're gonna come up with a solution in the spreadsheet. On the 1st January of 2016, a company called X.co entered in the 10 years lease contract of one floor of building. Annual rental payment is $60,000 payable at the December each year over the lease term. The economic useful life of building is 30 years. At the end of the lease term, the floor space will be returned back to the lessor. So here we have the lessee, who is the company X, enters with the 10 years lease contract. The lease term is 10 years, and we do have the underlying asset, which is one floor of building, and we do have the annual payment, which is $60 payable at each year, and we do have the economic useful life of the building, which is 30 years. So at the end of lease contract, there is no purchase option. So it means the underlying asset will be returned to the lessor. The lessee, who is X company X, needs to adapt the new standard IFRS 16 leases in the reporting period ending 31 December 2019. It means the first initial application is 2019. The requirement: as company's accountant, we are required to use both full retrospective and modified retrospective approach. Under the discount rate, here we have given discount rate. We have been given the discount rate. It says use the discount rate 6% at the commencement date and discount rate 5% at the initial application date. We will talk a little about the discount rate. So which rate should you apply, or should we apply? If we are going to apply the full retrospective approach, so we're gonna use the discount rate at the commencement date, which is 6%. If we are going to use the modified retrospective approach, we have to use the discount rate that is given at the initial IFRS application, which is 5%. So the discount, so the commencement date, it means the date that you are entered in the contract with lessor. That's called the commencement date. But the date that you decided to apply the IFRS 16 is called the initial application date. So the two discount rates, we need to be careful on this on these two discount rates. Initially, a lessee classified its lease contract as operating lease under IS 17. Under the new standard IFRS 16, a lessee needs to recognize right of use asset and lease liability. The first things we need to calculate, compute the present value of lease payment. Present value of lease payment. Our lease term is 10 years. It started from 2016. We have here, and we have we do have lease payment, and we do have discount factor. We need to calculate the discount factor, and then we will have present value of lease payment. This is PV. It means present value of lease payment. And that's it. So here we have year 1, year 2, up to the, we'll drag down up to 10 years. We have 10 years here. The commencement date for the contract is 2016. It means 2016, 2017, and drag it down. The total years equal count. It gives us 10 years. So the lease payment is $60,000 per annum. It means the lease payment in the first year we are going to pay 60,000, and the second year as well, and in the end up to the last year we pay 60,000. So the discount factor, I will show you how to calculate the discount factor. The discount factor is, let's see, this is formulas. Discount factor is calculated as 1 divided by double bracket 1 plus the discount rate, which is 6%, bracket power to the year 1. Let's say here we have year 1, we have year 1, and then bracket. This is so-called discount rate. So the present discount rate, here we have the equal 1 divided by double bracket 1 plus the interest rate 6 bracket power to first year, and close the brackets. It gives us 0.943. So if we drag this down, it's not going to give us the result, and that's why we need to use the formula of the dollar sign. Here before the discount rate, we need to apply the discount rate for all years. It means dollar sign and then dollar sign F4 if you are using the Windows. I'm using the Mac here. Oh, sorry, before the number. So we should drag down here. It could be applied for all column. So now we need to calculate or compute the present value of lease payment. present value of lease payment equal the lease payment into the discount factor. Give us some amount. Let's round off the amount. Round off to 0, none for the currency, and we do have this amount. Let's see, this is black color. From here we do have, we need to total this amount. The total amount, this is the total, the present value amount that we are going to pay over the lease terms 10 years. So, and the total of this is going to give us 600,000. This is the total amount, and this is a present value of lease payment. Thank you so much for watching. I think we should stop here. In the next lecture, we will continue on how to calculate lease liability. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and you will be updating when new video are recorded. Thank you so much again.